Welcome back, Romantic Home Family, and welcome if you are new, and welcome into my backyard. It is sundown right now. It is Memorial Day, so happy Memorial Day, everybody. If you're watching this, it may be a day or two after, but in today's video, I want to share with you guys how you can transform a simple space into your backyard into just like this little oasis. You're probably going to hear some tree frogs and some doggies barking. You might even hear some chickens. So many fun sounds. I don't personally have chickens, but my neighbor back behind me does. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys some fun ways you can update for summer, super budget friendly as always. If you guys love to craft and decorate on a budget, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I would love to have you, and pop over to my Livy's Romantic Home DIY Facebook page. Thank you so much for being here. It is Memorial Day today, and we are going to be kicking off summer with this awesome little fun easy DIY gardening video. So go ahead and let's pop into it. So to give my little back patio a fun refresh, I am working with Lubana on this one, and they sent me the Skylar raised garden bed. It was so fun and easy to put together. And I will say, okay, maybe not totally easy, but pretty easy. I've gotten pretty good at putting their furniture together. If you guys notice, I do have some of their lounger chairs in the back, as well as this dining room table set they sent me. And I just love it because I love a good matching set. And you'll probably see my little puppy dog Benji Bear running around. I have wanted to add flowers out into this space back behind my lounger chairs for so long, and I just knew that this was going to be the perfect little raised garden bed. And it also has holes along the bottom, so you guys can easily have drainage if you wanted to plant. If I want to go back in and make it like, a little fun herb garden, or even plant some tomatoes. Right now, I think I'm just going to go with some really sweet little annuals. I wasn't going to buy annuals this season because I am going to London, but I'm going to see if my neighbor will help me take care of them. But I am going to be very careful and not get like a whole garden going. I'm going to see my sister in London. My daughter and I are going at the end of June, so super excited for that. I'm just going to go ahead and clip off the little hangers on this. I did save these because I might decide to change things out and make these hanging baskets, but I found these beautiful plants at Walmart. They were $16 per bundle, and I got 3 of them. And honestly, I think that they were like a baby petunia, but that is not the right correct name for them. So I'll have to get the name and let you guys know what they are. But Walmart has them out in their garden section right now. They also have out this really cute little bow planter. I'm going to pop some little petunias down in there and then call that good. But when I saw that bow planter, you guys, I knew I had to have it. And then these pillows, these are from Texas Home, or My Texas Home, also from Walmart. And Walmart, I didn't collaborate with Walmart. This is actually a collaboration with Lubana, but they had just some really great stuff to kind of add in and just make these things look perfect. Now let me know, should I paint my fence in the back part of this? I feel like it would be weird to paint one part of my fence, but looking at it from this direction, it might be really cute. I don't know how I would parlay that into the little kind of cement drop off that goes to my backyard. But anyway, so many fun ideas, and just look at how amazing this made this space. It really refreshed it. So you guys need to check this out. Again, I believe a link in the description box, and then of course my little pink watering can. I have to give them a bit of water. I may have to move them though underneath my space, because we're supposed to be getting a full week of rain. We'll see if that's going to happen, but they are so pretty. Look at this beautiful pink and white colors. I saw them and I just knew I had to have them. I just thought they were so pretty. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. I love this blue and white pillow. I'm going to save up and get the rug possibly that matches them, the pillows, but I'm also thinking about about a pink and white rug. I don't know, but I am just loving this. I think it's such a nice way to refresh your space with a couple of plants and a sweet little garden bed. And it makes us feel like it's a little oasis, or like we're at an all-inclusive resort. Don't you guys think? So I hope you guys are loving it and that you try something like this. So thank you all so much for joining me. I hope you're inspired to create something fun in your backyard as well. There's lots of birds and puppy dogs and chickens going, so hopefully you guys can hear me. Maybe this extra sound is fun, I'm not for sure, but I do have a little devotional to read with you guys. This says, walking God's chosen path. It's gotten almost too late to do this video, so apologies if there's too much noise in the background, but let's go ahead and do our devotional. I did have to turn on my exterior light because the sun is going down and I can't see, and my glasses. So this says, walking God's chosen path. I want you to come to a place where you no longer fear the unknowns of life. I want you merely trusting and resting in my will. If you will draw near to me at all times, you can be confident that I will not allow you to stray from the path I've chosen for you. I have amazing plans for you, but I need you to learn to trust me completely with each step of faith you take. I want you to let go of trying to control your life and surrender to my plans and my power to bring them about. I simply want you to surrender and allow me to work in and through you. I don't want you to struggle to understand my ways. I simply want you to trust in them. My ways are perfect. Accept what you cannot change and trust me to do what seems impossible. For there is nothing too difficult for me. And you know that everything will not fall apart if you simply let it go into my hands. When your life is falling to pieces, it's really just falling into place. I promise to strengthen you, to uphold you, and I only ask that you seek my will. Let go of your fears and walk the path I've chosen for you by faith. The Lord directs our steps, so why try to understand everything along the way? And that is Proverbs 20:24. So I hope that that blesses you. I was feeling a little bit of fear about some things and just some unknowns as I, just go through this summer and kick it off, which I'm having such a great summer so far. But we always fear change and unknown. So anyway, I hope that this blesses your heart. Thank you guys so much for being here. It is getting ready to be my bedtime, so I'm going to clean up my mess after putting this beautiful table together. A huge thank you to Lubana for reaching out and sending me this beautiful table to share with you guys. I'm going to leave a link in the description box for you guys if you want to choose this. It's not a table, it's a garden bed, okay? If you guys want to try out this garden bed, it is amazing, as well as all of their furniture. I love it. I have so many of their outdoor pieces. I'm just going to scoot this. And look at how adorable this is. It just looks so pretty. It's like my little backyard oasis. So anyway, I love you guys to the moon and back. Don't forget to check the description box for the garden bed and the chairs and the little tables if you guys are interested. And I hope you have a beautiful, blessed evening. And until our next video, be kind to yourselves. Be kind to one another. I'll talk to you guys very soon.